What if homework actually helped students learn, and class time became more engaging? Today, schools are using video lessons to support students without replacing teachers. With these videos, students can pause, rewind, rewatch, or skip ahead until everything finally makes sense. This flexibility helps students build background knowledge and learn more effectively, especially those who need extra support. English language learners can turn on subtitles, and students with ADHD can break lessons into smaller, focused parts. And if you miss a class, video lessons help you stay connected and avoid falling behind. As a result, many schools use the flipped classroom model, where students learn lessons at home and use class time for practice and personalized support. This gives teachers more time to answer questions and make sure everyone understands. With multimodal learning and AI tools, technology enhances instruction without replacing human connection. When technology supports learning and teachers lead the way, students become confident, curious, and ready for the future.